Garcia bringing the ball, pass to this, pero supply, Bakleb, Eliasen, pass to Licario, and there is a foul, coming from Walker, substitution, Eliasen. Substitution.
Yan lang, bakit ganun?
Oliverio, pass to Cortez. Cortez. Hold. May ball na ron. Foul number 15. Nisperos. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. And 2 free throws for Cortez. Nandira sa line, last throw. And the last throw is good, came from Cortez. 15-10 hours goal, 1 point lead for Team Jokers. And Garcia receiving the basket. Pass to Martin, back to Bakleb. Bakleb to Nesperos, Martin open supply. Cortez is going for the rebound. And Cortez with the ball. Cortez pa rin. Bola sa sim. Palit-palit. Pass to Juanitez. Pañero. 10. Dorado. Portrait. Sumablay. Abad. Pass to Nisperos. Pass to Garcia. 1 minute and 48 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Abad. And there's a foul come from number 5. Galanga, first personal foul. First team foul. 14 to shoot. Ayun lang. Backcourt violation. Galanga to Pañero. Oh, sumablay. Ang tara for the rebound. Pass to Nisperos.
Yakap na ang tarap pang
19 to shoot, 1 minute and 32 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Garcia, Tongtab, back to Garcia, Martin, Portrait, Sablay, Martin, the boot back, Sablay, double foul, and
Inuuna pang hawak ng isa
Soto,
sa kanya ng buli.
number 20, and Abat.
Masyada.
Substitution. Double foul yun. Double foul, out of position. Ito. Jokers. Ayun na, Walker. Bring the ball. 10. Agtarab. And there's a foul going from number 5, Galanga. Second personal foul. 13 foul. Ayun na, Walker. To Abad. Agtarab. Pass it down. Ayun na, Soto. To Pañero. And 1. Foul number 87, Walker. Second personal foul. Bonus yan for Pañero. He scored 19-12. And the bonus yan sa blind. Nisperos for the rebound. Back to Walker. Waper pass to Martin.
Buti ka nag-live ngayon doon.
Ang pangalan mo?
Bumping.
Bakla pa nila.
To Waper. To Abad. The floater. Sablay. Murado for the rebound. Ayun na. Juanita Sumablay. 38 seconds. Martin. To Antarap. To Waper. Turn around shot. It's good for 28 seconds.
Tawas?
Pass to Dorado.
Tawas classes.
Dorado to the ball. Juanitas. Pass to Panero. Sablay. Antarap. Pass to Martin. 12. Martin. Sumablay. And tapikan. Agawan ng bola ni Speros. 6. 4. Waper to ni Speros.
Galing.
Galing. And reverse. Waper. 23-12. 11-point lead for Team Jokers. Overisa. Pasok ka Ivy.
Saan?
Back to Overisa. Yun lang. Taas ang pasa.
Ay, may hawin na.
Ang mga kabayan, may maupo po sa banda rito. Isa po nakatayo kayo dyan. Ito po sa banda rito, meron ba pong maupuan? Waper. To Flores. For 3. Sumablay. Rebound. Capitano Grisa securing the basket. And still. And there's a foul. Galing Waper. Number 87. Third personal foul. First team foul. Shout out pala kay Jojo. Ayun oh. Shout out. Tsaka kay sino ba yung katabi? John Lin.
Uncle. Yung kaya mo sa uncle ba?
Alam ako. Kyrie. 3 seconds. Violation.
3 seconds siya.
Pwede mag-stay doon.
Doon na, Waper. Sinamed. Ang tarap. Tuwal. Flores. Darang siya sa fly. Ang tarap i-raise. Ang tarap rin. 5. Waper. Zablay. And Cortez is kind for the rebound. Pass to number 08. Okay, isa. To Cortez.
Traveling.
At meron ng foul. Nauna yung contact, bago yung travel. Ganun lang kasi simple explanation doon. Foul number
Foul.
28. Arbon. First personal foul. 17 foul.
Kadalang free throw na yun.
Hindi lang nakapasok.
Hindi sa shooter ngayon.
Ayun.
Nandito pasok. Last throw. And the last throw sa blind. Isperos for the rebound. Isperos in the ball. Ayun na. Ang tarap. Reverse. Pass it down. And the lead goes up to 12, 25-13. Kyrie. Pass to Lutena. Cortez. Baba na. Nag-change pivot na eh. Nag-change pivot na. Umikot ulit. Ayun na. Nisberos to Waper. Lumabas pa. And Diaz to Lovenia. Lovenia dribbling the ball. Lovenia to Cortez. May ball na. Foul number 15. Miss Veros. Second personal foul.
Inaano mo.
Third team foul.
Tatlong break ko na yan. Tudo. Magpakita lang ng foul.
Oh, nagtira pa ito. Last draw. Jing. Pasabay nga, Jing. Baka madaganan yung mga yan.
Magsisikay sa huli.
Supply. And rebound Davida. Nagawa ng bola ay Sara pass to Waber. Waber pass to Arbon. Arbon to Nesperos. Last chance ang bulak.
Walo.
Substitution. Nesperos out. De La Peña, pass to Waber, pass to Flores. Purtre. Bang! Flores from parking lot, Purtre. And the lead goes up to 14. 20-14 our score 6 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. Kyrie to Diaz. Back to Kyrie. Okay, Riza, Purtre.
Aba.
Lumabas ba? Cortez. Angat. Basket down.
Galing.
20-16 home point trade.
Ang kadina.
And exactly 6 minutes remaining. Arbon.
Ayun.
Basket down.
Galing ah.
Lupenya. Moving the ball. Pass to Kyrie. Pass to Giriza. Wide open. Bang! Giriza. Time out. Broken.
Ang kadina na.
Dukhan!
Ay lang layon mo.
Ayan, Garcia. Garcia pa rin. To Arbon. To Garcia. De La Peña. Open.
Parang ang lakas ng
Pass
pag.
it down. And from De La Peña. Roger.
Ipano pa ang bilhin?
And Kyrie bring the ball.
Saan?
Kyrie pa rin.
Online?
To Giriza. O Giriza. The floater. The blind. Del Yacen. The putback is good.
Pag
Roger.
mainit din ang labas. Hindi tulad nung isa na kahit
Ayan na, Garcia. Ikot. De La Peña. Supply. Rebound. Gantara. Back to De La Peña. Pass to Garcia. 8. De La Peña. Supply. And Kyrie won the rebound. Kyrie doing the ball. Kyrie pa rin. Pass to De La Peña. Run shot. Supply. Rebound. De La Peña. Time out! Oh. Ahmed Boasi. Kyrie. Pass to Dorado. To the Yacen. Take and one. Basket down. Foul number 11 on top. First personal foul. Warning for penalty and point shot for Villasen. And the point shot is good. Substitution. And now Garcia is scored 32-24, 8 points left. 1 minute 18 seconds remaining. And Garcia signaling the play. 14 to shoot. De La Peña. Open. Pass it down. Then from De La Peña. Butcher.
10 na lang.
Ayun na. Garzon. Pass to Dorado. Pass to Cortez. There's a foul. Then from number 8. Balik-balik. Substitution. Arbon second personal foul. Substitution. Hindi, thrower. Oo. Penalty kasi, penalty.
Laptos dito.
Oh, nandito pasok kami from Cortez. Last throw.
Dami pa rito ni Cortez.
Ang masdan mo.
Turns.
And the last throw supply. Garcia for the rebound. Garcia bring the ball.
Bakit walang pangalan?
Garcia nabitiwan. De La Peña. Jose. Dorado. Paso Garzon. Garzon bring the ball. Back to Dorado. Villasin. Ikot. Hit. Angat.
Nice shot. Ang galing.
Rebound. Villasin.
Pwede pa lang umakbang.
36-27, 9 points lead for Team Jokers. And Garcia doing the ball. Pass to Flores for 3. Zoom apply. Back left for the blue back. And Garzon doing the ball. Pass to Dorado. Wide open 3. Zoom apply. Rebound.
Wala.
Flores. Ano nangyari sa'yo? Nagsasarili ka dyan.
Nasara-sarili.
Oo. Pupukol ng 3.
Ay, putik.
And Garcia, the boot back supply. Flores, kinaliwa supply.
Lakas.
Bilasin. And ayun na.
Wala na.
Paragas.
Wala na.
Basket down. Kendra Paragas. Back left. Pass to Flores. Open for 3.
Ay, yes. Ang galing. Ang galing.
Time out. Time out. Buwas.
Ang galing.
Ganda rin ito sa point one.
Turns.
Garzon, possibility, wide open 3, short. Paragas, the full back supply. And Galanga, hit and drop supply. And Flores, bring the ball. Flores to Asuncion. Pass to back lane. Back to Asuncion. Bubukol ng 3. Zoom apply.
Walang
And
supply.
Paragas, pass to Garzon. Garzon, bring the ball. Garzon, tulong. And there's a foul coming from number 17, Bakla.
Na kayo.
First personal foul. Penalty.
Payat yan.
And 2 free throws for Jericho Kalanga.
Sobrang sa target.
Unang pinapasok. Last throw. Time remaining 1 minute and 57 seconds. And this is over the second quarter. And the last throw is good. Game from Galanga.
29.
Baklan to Garcia. Garcia dribbling the ball. Pass to De La Peña. 3 seconds violation. Oo. Oh, nasa liga ka na yun, hindi na limahan to. May 3 seconds na. Oo. Ayun na, Dorado.
98.
Bring the ball. Dorado lulusot. And there is a foul. Coming from Garcia.
Garcia.
Penalty. Garcia first personal foul.
Foul na lahat sila.
Oh, nandira sa blind. Last throw.
18.
Hmm?
Bata pa.
1 minute and 23 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Last throw sa blind. Paragas. Anad. Kulang siya. 41-33, 8 point lead. 1 minute and 16 seconds remaining sa ating game clock.
Garcia. Nakabata.
Garcia.
Nakata.
Ito naman. Paso de la Peña. Ayun na, Asuncion. To Garcia. For 3. Sumablay. Dorado. Nakatalikod. Good ball yan. Yun. Doon ko lang pumasok yung backcourt kasi hinawakan na.
Ah, 41.
Ayun na, Flores. Back to Garcia. Paso po Gleb. Ganda ng assist. Flores back to Pacleb. Still. Ayun lang. Still. And Garcia to Pacleb.
Ay, puti,
Sumablay. Paragas. Ayun na. Dorado. Water.
Ayun siya.
30 segundos. Flores. To Garcia. To Pacleb.
Oo, 98.
Pass to Flores. 14-18.
Tinulapan.
Foul.
Sibol.
Garson.
Ha?
15 seconds remaining. 10 seconds to shoot. Substitution. Palitan nyo. Wala tayong dextrose dito. 10 seconds to shoot. Ayun, Flores. Portray. Sablay. Paragas. 10.
Ayan na siya.
Bilisin. 7. Garson. Tubigasin. Ayun lang. Sumabay pa.
Anong bang?
At naman ng foul. Ay, di naman ba? Ay, number 77.
Call na lang.
Ascension. Force personal foul. Penalty. 4 seconds remaining.
Yan na siya.
4 seconds remaining.
Bigla sa special lang.
Bata ka man yun. Parang cancel sa likod.
Basket game from Bilisin. Last throw.
Ilan talaga ni Jen?
Ayan.
Si Bayla si Philip. Si Bayla si
Mamaya po, third game, halftime break. Andiyan po yung bigas sa harap. Magpapatay points tayo mamaya.
Bigas, teka lang.
Ayun na. Garcia, 2.
Hinabol niya. Wala na nga, nag-buzzer na.
Bigas daw, bigas.
End of second quarter, 41-37, 4 point lead for Team Jokers.
Kailan ka?
Sumatin,
Dito na sila, no? Fourth nila dito.
Martin. Esperos to Agta, Dudukon, Sablay, rebound, Soto. Soto to Liberio. Eleuterio to Juanitas, Pula, Esgan Potter.
Wala kayo, kung na lang.
Wapper.
Natambakan
To
na,
Esperos, Kistel.
Second game. Ay, second na, no?
Eleuterio. And there's a foul.
Second quarter sila nakahabol, no?
Coming from Wapper.
Eh, pinasok agad yung ano eh.
Mga
Hindi mo na dinire-diretso.
Third quarter pa lang, Wapper, apat ka na.
kahabol na yun.
2 free throws for Eleuterio. Baka mapahiya kayo, kayo din. Oh, di ba? Ay, sabi ko sa inyo. Unang tinabasok. Habang tinitira, nananalangin. Astro.
Nagpabayan na naman sila.
Oh, di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, balik-balik.
Nagtay na sila. 41.
Parang wala lang nangyari. Tama.
All.
Ayun na. Garcia. Bringing the ball. Garcia rin na. Nesberos. Walang bantay. Martin. Still kay Bravo Soto. Ayun na.
Wala na.
And Juanitas. Martin. At lumamang na nga. Ang ulit buwas.
Yan, kasi.
Ang tanap. Paso Garcia. Nesberos. Paso ang tanap. Martin open for 3. Short. And tapigan Martin. Paso Nesberos. Abat. Ikot. Abat. To Martin. Sablay. Cortez. Paso Eleuterio. Eleuterio din the ball. Eleuterio pa rin. Ganda lang kasi. Sumablay. Rebound. Ayun. Baba na.
Wala, labang na ng dalawa.
Kasi naliwanag ng po.
Ayun na, ang tarap. Paso na po. May ball na kay Soto. Number 20. Palit-palit. Soto, second personal foul. First team foul. Martin inbounding. Paso Garcia. 14 to shoot. 14 to shoot. Fourteen to shoot. Ayun na. Good for yan. And Juanillas, pass to Kyrie. Kyrie, angan, basket down. And Martin, pass to Tarab. Back to Garcia.
Wala na.
But terrible.
And Garcia taking the ball. Still, ayun na, Kyrie. Taking the ball. Sumablay. And Garcia pa rin.
Ang galing niya mag-
Garcia, left-handed lay-in.
Galing.
Coming from Garcia for two. Nice skill coming from Martin. Abad, lays it in. Supply. And, nasa labas na. 6 minutes and 40 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. And Nisperos inbounding. Ganda na kasi. Slow lang naka-play coming from Magtarap and Nisperos.
Ay, tara.
Score tie game at 45. Kyrie. Supply. Nisperos. Pass to Martin. Martin to Garcia for 3. Sumablay. Foul number 13, Martin. Baba na. Kita-kita si
Martin.
Martin.
Hindi ba ang hawak eh.
Ewan ko. Sabi ng referee. Ito yung magagawa.
Ayun na, Kyrie. Ikinand. Paso Dorado. Paso Cortez. Cortez. Ayun na, still Martin.
Sayang.
Halos full pa.
Madulas.
6 minutes and 10 sa ating game clock. And this is our third quarter palit-palit.
Wa. Ay, tayo na.
Substitution. 6 minutes and 10 is full time game on 45.
Doon na lang nakikita sa...
Kyrie to Eleuterio.